Hello everyone. Here is a 10-line essay on noise pollution. Noise pollution means too much loud and unpleasant sound. It comes from loud horns, big machines and speakers. Firecrackers also make a lot of noise. Too much noise is very bad for our ears. It can give us a headache and make us feel tired. Noise pollution makes it hard for us to sleep. It also disturbs us while we are studying. Animals and birds get scared of loud sounds. We should not play music or watch TV very loudly. We should keep our world quiet and peaceful.